In this episode of the Students Cookbook, we are joining a Slovak household in Rotterdam North. Here, Martin, Tomas and Jakub are living together and we are joining just in time for dinner, so let's see what they're cooking up.
Hey Paulito, what's up my friend?
Alright, so what's on the menu today?
Actually, it's probably gonna be burgers. We'll see how it plays out.
Sorry, I'm juggling some balls right now.
Jakub, do you guys have friends over often?
No,
No, we're local.
no friends.
So, do you guys divide tasks with cooking the burgers? Is anyone responsible for the patties, the other one for
No,
making the
it
bread?
just kind of happens, I
I
would
think
say.
Jakub is mostly responsible for the meat, and then the rest we just figure out, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean it's not rocket science, right? So
Isn't your laundry outside?
holy shit!
What's your favorite Gordon Ramsay quote?
Oh, it's a very good.
Fucking idiot sandwich, right?
What?
Idiot sandwich.
What are you? Idiot sandwich! How's it going?
Good. The raw sauce is done now.
All right, I think the burgers are ready now.
Yeah, almost done.
Yeah, Jakub, show us.
Please come.
One of the Slovak dishes is are fashirky.
Fashirky.
Yes.
Fashirky, yes. And those are actually, they're very, very similar to burgers. One of my friends, he ate 17 of them raw after a night out, so yeah.
What happened after?
Yeah, I cannot even describe the sounds.
Here, have some tomatoes.
Oh, your favorite ones.
What?
Your favorite tomatoes, the red ones.
Yeah, are they red
Are you
though?
gonna fucking take it or what?
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat.
All right, Dobrú, chut.
Eating like horses here?
Yes. As you can see, there's some jalapenos on there, tomato, cheese, and the patty itself, and the sauce that Tomas very kindly put on there for us.
Alright, let's go. Who has the most unique laugh? Who's the best cook? Who's the biggest party animal? What's one thing you guys wouldn't want to live without in this apartment?
Oh, that is a very good question, but yeah, it's easy. Okay, we should all say it on 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Dishwasher. Oh, what did you say?
Nothing.
What the fuck?
No, but both. Okay, dishwasher.
Dishwasher, bro.
Why the fuck dishwasher?